At first, early humans believed that our Earth was the largest thing in existence because when they looked up at the night sky, the tiny stars and glowing moon seemed far smaller than our massive home. But as time passed, they discovered Earth was not the biggest. The planets Saturn and Jupiter were not just larger, they were many times the size of Earth. The sun, which looked like a simple glowing ball in the sky, was actually so huge that more than 1,000,000 Earths could fit inside it. Then, we realized our solar system was much bigger than we had imagined. But even our solar system was just a small dot in something far greater. We found that it was only a tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy, a massive collection of stars, planets, and cosmic dust stretching over 100,000 light years across. And just when we thought we had grasped the vastness of space, another mind-blowing discovery came to light. The Milky Way wasn't the only galaxy. There were billions of galaxies spread across the universe. Some were even bigger than our own, like the Andromeda Galaxy, which is on a collision course with us in the distant future. As our technology improved, we kept pushing the limits of our understanding. We found that these galaxies weren't scattered randomly. They were arranged in enormous clusters connected by invisible threads of dark matter, forming cosmic superstructures beyond human imagination. And one of the largest structures ever discovered in the universe is the Great Wall. But even this wasn't the final answer. Scientists kept searching, and what they found next changed everything. Recently, scientists have identified what they believe is the largest structure in the universe, something that links back to ancient knowledge and even challenges Einstein's ring theories. But before getting into the video, if really excited about the exploration of space, hit that like button and never forget to subscribe. Stars, planets, comets, asteroids, black holes, and cosmic dust all come together to form what we call a galaxy. And galaxies are not alone. There are millions of galaxies have connections that we call galaxy clusters. When a large group of smaller galaxy clusters comes together, we call them supercluster. It's the largest superstructure in the universe because it's a gravitationally interacting unit. It works by combining all the gravitational forces in the supercluster. Our Milky Way is part of the local group of Galaxy Group, which contains more than 54 galaxies, and the local group Galaxy forms part of the Laniakea Supercluster. Laniakea Supercluster, which contains 100 galaxies including our Milky Way galaxy. There is another one supercluster bigger than Laniakea. It's called the Shapley Supercluster, and it's stretched up to 65 crore light years. But as time passed, scientists discovered one of the largest structures ever discovered is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a mind-bending collection of galaxies stretching over 10 billion light years. To put that into perspective, light from one end of this structure would take 10 billion years to reach the other end. But some scientists do not accept it as the largest system in the universe because it has some separations between what is continuous. Now, an international team of scientists from the Max Planck Institute for Extraterrestrial Physics in Germany discovered the largest structure in the universe, the Quipu. Why is that Quipu? The name comes from the 600-year-old ancient Incan system of knotted strings used to record data. Exactly. The recent discovery of this massive cosmic structure resembles the ancient Quipu knots because it's a vast network of galaxies, all interconnected in a way that mirrors how the Incan knots were used to store and connect information. Just as the knots in a quipu were intricately tied together to create a larger, meaningful system, this structure in the universe is a sprawling web of galaxies, forming an immense cosmic network. That's why it's been named Quipu. It reflects the interconnectedness and complexity, much like the ancient method of recording knowledge. Quipu, the largest known cosmic structure, is located between approximately 425 million and 815 million light years from Earth. This immense superstructure spans about 1.3 billion light years, containing the mass equivalent to 200 quadrillion suns. To put this into perspective, the Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light years in diameter, making Quipu over 13,000 times larger than our entire galaxy. Astronomers just released an image with 5 superclusters, in the image depicting the large-scale structures of the universe. Each superstructure is color-coded to distinguish them. Red color shows recently discovered the largest known structure, Quipu, spanning approximately 1.3 billion light-years in length. Distance from Earth between 425 million and 815 million light-years. Blue color is Shapley Supercluster, once considered the largest. It is now surpassed by Quipu, spanning approximately 650 million light-years in length. Distance from Earth about 650 million light-years. The green color is Serpens Corona Borealis Superstructure, a significant cosmic formation identified in the study, spanning approximately 760 million light-years in length. Distance from Earth approximately 760 million light-years. Purple color is Hercules Supercluster, another massive structure in the nearby universe, spanning approximately 500 million light-years in length. Distance from Earth approximately 500 million light-years. Orange color is Sculptor Pegasus Superstructure, a notable superstructure connecting the Sculptor and Pegasus constellations, spanning approximately 700 million light-years in length. Distance from Earth approximately 700 million light-years. An Einstein ring is a phenomenon predicted by Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity, where light from a distant galaxy is bent into a ring-like shape due to the gravitational lensing effect of a massive foreground galaxy. This occurs when the source galaxy, lensing galaxy, and observer are nearly perfectly aligned, allowing the massive foreground galaxy to act as a cosmic magnifying glass. In February 2025, the European Space Agency's Euclid Space Telescope captured a remarkable Einstein ring surrounding the galaxy NGC 6505, located approximately 590 million light-years from Earth. This discovery is significant because it provides a rare opportunity to study gravitational lensing effects in our cosmic neighborhood, offering insights into the distribution of dark matter within the lensing galaxy. The background galaxy, whose light was bent to form the ring, is situated about 4.42 billion light-years away. Understanding the distance to Quipu helps astronomers study the large-scale structure of the universe and the distribution of galaxies within it. While Quipu is the largest known structure in the nearby universe, it's possible that even larger structures exist further out, beyond our current observational capabilities. The exact distance to Quipu is still a subject of ongoing research, and future observations may refine these measurements. Hope today you got 2 interesting facts about space, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.